Hi, welcome in your life. Today I would like to share with you something beautiful. Today is the second day of the grounding course that I'm organizing this month, and you may have seen that I already decided to reorganize it again. But for that I need subscriptions. I need you guys who are interested to subscribe. So I will be adding a link later in the description, but you can also simply go to my website and see it there. Then I got inspired by Laurie Ladd and some other people who decided to make November 11th a global meditation day, a global peace meditation day, global unity meditation day. And I decided to join in. So I'll be hosting 2 guided meditations, one at 11 o'clock in the morning, one at 11 o'clock in the evening, my time. And I may invite some people also to join in live, to have a discussion about what's going on in the world and how to deal with all the craziness that's happening. How to stay calm, how to stay grounded, how to stay relaxed, how to not be affected by other people's fear, by all the polarizations that's happening, and actually start to create more depolarization, more unification around yourself. And of course, everything starts within us, and the outside world is just a reflection of our inside world. And actually, it's more our reality, what we're experiencing ourselves, which is a reflection. Because something horrible may be going on all the way the other side of the globe, or literally in the street next to me, or even the apartment next to me, but not in front of me, because I'm not manifesting that. And grounding and meditation do help a lot in this. And meditating together amplifies. And it has been proven that during 24 to 48 hours, and maybe even longer, from the moment that we globally start to meditate, that 1 million people or more start to meditate, crime goes down, aggression goes down, there is much more peace on earth. And don't we all want that? So the only thing you need to do is to decide to meditate for 11 minutes on November 11th. Just 11 minutes. You can do it by yourself, you can do it together with others, physically in the same space, or go online, join me in the global meditation, or start a Zoom call, or even a phone call with some friends, and do it together. Because in the end, it's all, there are these spider webs that are flying around. That's what Halloween is about. That's why there are so many spider webs in Halloween. I did realize that this year. So doing it together with others, you already start to unify. You start to change the world. You create more peace for yourself and around you. And you also help creating peace in other people's lives. So I encourage you to join in. And if you want to be live with me during the discussion, or probably I'll have 2 discussions depending on who's showing up, then just send me a message. And hope to see you on November the 11th during one of the meditations, or to see that you're organizing your own meditation together with others. Because in the end, we want peace, we want happiness, we want joy. So let's create that. Oh, I see suddenly 4 people popped into the live. I cannot see who you are, but I wish you welcome. And I'm just going to repeat very shortly what I was saying earlier. So on November 11th, we will have Global Meditation Day, Global Peace and Global Unity Meditation Day. And I encourage you to join in and to organize with me that meditation. Actually, both meditations, but join the one that is at a decent time for you, because it will be 11 o'clock my time, both in the morning and in the evening. Or you organize your own at your 11 o'clock or at whatever time is convenient for you. Hope to see you November 11th. Have a beautiful weekend.